Look at all that. So I'm going to do a quick run through. I'll how to set this guy up, I suppose. So, I prefer to buy my gas fittings rather than go to the supplier and make them up. I don't feel comfortable around gas. I'm more likely to blow myself up. Alright, do a slight tighten, one twisty twist, two twisty twist, three twisty twist, and no more twist. That one seems pretty tight, so I'll just leave that as it is. Where is the, oh, that'll do. So, once you've got your two bottles hooked up to your manifold, you plug your gas burner with your gauge straight into this outlet here. Twisty, 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 twisty. So I've put about 10 psi pressure in the lines right now. I'm just going to do my bubble test. Or attempt to. Possibly why I've thrown it. Don't work. Yep, thrown it again. Get some old reliable. I seem to be using more Ajax these days than Windex. Everything looks all G in the H, which is fantastic. Give you guys a bit of a closer look at it. And this is what it's sitting like at the moment. So one bottle to the next bottle, and then to the regulator. Good times.